Hey Martino, come check out what I'm working on. I'm working on my auger line. It has a bend in it, and it makes it more difficult to work with it because it gets stuck on the bend in the auto feed. What I'm going to do is loosen off the auto feed so that I can bring the line out and be able to move it and remove it. You can see there's a bit of a bend right here. That's what I managed to do, so it makes it difficult to run the unit. So going to be replacing this one to be able to pull out the bend. Almost emptied, so getting very, very close. A couple more ones. And there we go. That's everything. It's 75 feet. So this is where it attaches at the back. And it's just a few inches from the end. So that you've got a pull on that. So just simple attachment, Allen key, and a nut. And then the line should be able to be removed. Okay, the screw's out now, so hopefully I can pull this thing right out of the unit. We'll find out right away. Yep, here we go. It's out. Perfect. So this new line comes with a different tip on it. The other one doesn't have a tip on it at all. So I'm not going to start playing with that. I'm just going to hope I can feed it in and get it into place. I think that's going to work. I did have to take the tensioner right off to give it allowed to be able to get by, but that's not bad. Happy with that. And looks like it's going to work for me. All right, it's in place. Now I just have to put it inside. It should just go in really easily, considering it came out easily. Oh, look at that, just like nothing to it, eh? And it looks like it's working just fine. It's going out just the way we want it to. And back in just the way we want it to. Nice. The replacement of the line is pretty easy with a little patience. I did have trouble with it a little bit because I'm wearing my winter parka and my arms were having a bit of trouble getting inside the barrel or the basket where the lines are held. I hope I demonstrated how easy it is to change a line like this. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the back lane.